Imagine a team of scientists who have spent years and millions developing a breakthrough drug for childhood cancer. After rigorous research and trials, the Drug Controller General of India grants them marketing authorization. The team celebrates, believing their medicine will now reach every child in need. But soon, reality sets in. Regulatory approval is just the beginning. The drug's high price keeps it out of reach for most patients. Doctors hesitate to prescribe it, knowing families can't afford it. Hospitals question its value compared to cheaper alternatives. The dream of access is stalled by the harsh realities of the marketplace. In India, this is a common story. Approval does not guarantee access. The real challenge is ensuring the right patient gets the right treatment at the right time. The fourth and most formidable hurdle is market access, bridging the gap between product and patient. A medicine that's unaffordable or inaccessible is as good as non-existent. True success is measured by public health impact, not just regulatory approval. Traditionally, pharma companies focused on three hurdles: quality, safety, and efficacy. Proving a drug was high quality, safe, and effective once meant commercial success. But today, especially in India, a fourth hurdle dominates: market access. Market access means making a new medicine available and affordable to those who need it. It's not just about stocking shelves. It's about negotiating with governments, hospitals, insurers, and doctors. Key questions arise. Who will pay? Will it be included in health schemes? Is its cost justified by its benefits? Think of it like building a bridge. The first three hurdles are about design and safety, but market access is about getting the bridge funded and used. Without integration into the healthcare system, even the best drug remains unused. Market access must be part of a drug's strategy from the start, not an afterthought. Companies need evidence not just for regulators, but to prove value to payers. A successful launch is now as much about economics and strategy as science. Overcoming the fourth hurdle is the true test of a drug's potential. Without it, innovation never reaches patients. Market access is the new battleground for pharma success. In India, understanding who pays for healthcare is crucial to market access. Unlike countries with single national insurers, India's payer landscape is fragmented. The largest payer is the patient. Over 60% of healthcare spending is out of pocket. This makes affordability the top concern for any new medicine. The government is the next major payer, through schemes like PMJ, which covers millions but demands low prices. Private health insurance is growing, with insurers scrutinizing cost-effectiveness before reimbursement. Large employers also provide health benefits, seeking value for their spending. Hospitals, especially private chains, act as both providers and payers, managing their own budgets and formularies. Getting a drug onto a hospital's formulary is a major challenge, requiring proof of value. Each payer has unique priorities, so market access strategies must be tailored. Success depends on addressing the needs of all these stakeholders. In India, navigating this mosaic is essential for any new drug. To convince payers, pharma companies must speak the language of value health economics and outcomes research, or HEOR. HEOR translates clinical benefits into economic terms, answering, is this drug worth the cost? It compares not just drug prices, but total costs: hospital stays, doctor visits, and more against outcomes like survival and quality of life. Cost-effectiveness analysis shows if a drug's benefits justify its price. Budget impact analysis reveals if a payer can afford it on a large scale. Both analyses are essential to make a compelling case for reimbursement. A strong market access strategy uses ER to prove value and manageability. Without it, even the best drugs struggle to gain traction. Navigating market access means understanding the key decision-makers. In hospitals, the Pharmacy and Therapeutics Committee decides which drugs are stocked, weighing clinical and economic evidence. Doctors are bound by the hospital's formulary, not personal preference. Pharma companies rely on key account managers to build relationships with hospitals, aligning product value with institutional needs. Market access managers develop strategies, using HEOR to craft compelling value stories. Together, they present evidence to committees, aiming for formulary inclusion and reimbursement. Success depends on understanding each stakeholder's priorities and constraints. The frontline battle for market access is fought by these specialized teams. Their work determines if a drug reaches patients or stays on the shelf. Knowing the ecosystem is as vital as the science behind the drug. Securing market access is about building a bridge of value with solid evidence and a compelling story. Clinical trials must be designed to collect data that matters to payers, like quality of life and economic impact, not just clinical outcomes. This data feeds health economic models, showing how a drug benefits both patients and the healthcare system. The evidence is woven into a tailored value story for each audience, doctors, administrators, or government payers. All this is compiled into a value dossier, a comprehensive package of clinical and economic evidence. The dossier is the foundation for negotiations and reimbursement decisions. Without strong evidence and a clear narrative, even innovative drugs may fail to gain access. Strategy, evidence, and storytelling are the pillars of market access success. Market access in India is rapidly evolving. A national health technology assessment body is on the horizon, promising standardized value assessments and raising the bar for evidence. Companies will need robust health economic data and centralized submissions to influence nationwide reimbursement. PMJ's expansion will demand innovative pricing and a deep understanding of public health priorities. Real-world evidence will become increasingly important, as payers want proof of effectiveness in everyday practice. Digital health records will make collecting this data easier, creating a cycle of continuous evidence generation. Market access will shift from a one-time event to an ongoing process. Future leaders must adapt to these trends to succeed. The fourth hurdle is changing. Are you ready to leap?